Hi, I'm Dia. Sometimes you probably feel like you need a little magic to maximize the performance of your workforce. So what are some of the key drivers of employee engagement? How do we learn about them, and how can we act on them? And finally, are we as productive as we can be?
What will improve our staff's job performance?
What departmental differences are we seeing, and where do we need to focus more of our resources?
What are the critical issues to improve our property's work environment?
Are our action plans achieving the expected results?
How can we improve the engagement of the different populations of our workforce? How does our staff's total performance affect our customer satisfaction?
With all this going on, what information do you need to ensure your staff delivers a positive guest experience? You need to know how your employees feel about working at your property and how to get them to deliver outstanding customer experiences. You need to know your key strengths and opportunities within each department and which departments may need more focus. You need to know what the critical issues are and which are most important to achieve your goals. You need to know where to focus your action planning and how to ensure measurable return on your investment. Getting feedback once or twice a year is simply not enough. You need to take the pulse of your organization frequently to determine what action plans are working and what refinements need to be made. And lastly, it is critical to know how your employee engagement affects guest satisfaction and the impact an engaged workforce can have on your bottom line. In fact, studies show that upwards of 70% of employees are not fully engaged. So it's important to have the right tools to identify problem areas in order to develop good action plans and get the results you are looking for. So let's take a look at how STAFFScope helps you engage your staff and achieve total workforce performance and engagement.
For a human resources professional, STAFFScope reports break down my workforce by level of engagement, empowering me to action plan on the issues that are critical to staff who are not fully engaged.
Next, let's look at how STAFFScope breaks down other demographics to give you a broader understanding of your workforce.
I never realized how different the issues are from department to department and generation to generation. We now have the information to effectively manage our entire workforce and increase the productivity of every demographic.
How can you turn all this information into an effective action plan?
With the Critical Issues Report, I know what areas to focus on that will most directly impact the loyalty and engagement of my team. This report includes quantifiable goals against which we can measure how effective our actions have been.
So how can you ensure that you continuously deliver on expectations and improve staff engagement? Let's look at how STAFFScope helps you keep your finger on the pulse of your workforce.
By implementing a short pulse survey periodically throughout the year, I can frequently measure any change in engagement levels and tweak my action plans to achieve total workforce performance.
Now let's show you how easy it is to understand your strengths and opportunities with your staff. It's so simple to set up. All you need to do is to provide us with how many associates you have in each department from your HR database. It's like magic. But the Unifocus solution is no illusion, it's real. In summary, STAFFScope alerts you to the key opportunities to improving your staff engagement. The STAFFScope reports break down your workforce into customizable demographic populations to ensure you know what's important to specific groups. The Critical Issues reports allow you to develop effective, targeted action plans with quantifiable goals that achieve results. STAFFScope pulse surveys give you the ability to frequently check the pulse of your organization to ensure your action plans are effective. The STAFFScope dashboard gives you the opportunity to see the trends in your employees' engagement, loyalty, and overall satisfaction. For you, as an HR professional, STAFFScope really will provide you and your team with everything you need to achieve total workforce performance. We're going to make it easy for you. Just click on this button to request a call today.